That's what we're all putting in on the correct engineered system for our clients.
You've got it. The Septic Drainer product has been incredible. It's been able to restore the drain fields for me and make failed systems work based on the economy and the situation of the client. The drain field that are failing, Septic Drainer allows that system to start working again. It's almost a miracle product that I've been experiencing with it. Every drain field that I've used to restore has worked, and it meets today's Title V law in the state of Massachusetts based on the outcome of the product. The client's response when I tell them there's a product out there that we can restore their drain field, at first they're skeptical and saying, no, we have to replace it. And prime example, scenario-wise, a client called me, they wanted to estimate to replace their drain field. And I said, why? I said, we can restore this. And she was dead set against restoring. She wanted to replace it, which we had a price of over $18,000. At that point, I talked her into letting me use Septic Drainer. And for the small cost, it saved her thousands and thousands of dollars, no disruption of the property. And to this day, over a year later, the system is working the way it was designed to work. Septic Drainer really works.